Man fatally shot by police in Central Village identified. Popular minibus operator shot dead in Savannah Lamar. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The man who was fatally shot in an alleged police confrontation on Saturday in Big Lane, Central Village, St. Catherine, has been identified. He is 20-year-old laborer Shaquille Smith, otherwise called DJ, of Board Jungle in Central Village. The Westmoreland police are probing the killing of a popular minibus operator who was gunned down while waiting for passenger in the parish capital, Savannah Lamar, on Saturday morning. The deceased has been identified as 50-year-old Clive Atkinson, popularly called Grubber, who was of a Savannah Lamar address. Reports are that Atkinson stood by his bus that was parked in Hendon, Savannah Lamar, when he was pounced upon by three men on motorbikes who were armed with handguns. The bus driver was shot multiple times by the armed assailants. He was taken to the Savannah Lamar Public General Hospital where he was pronounced dead.